Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, V8 Tech. Alright, so I have another unboxing video for you guys today. So as you can see I have in front of me here the 2020 MacBook Pro. Alright, and this is a gray version, and we have two Amazon packages here, and we're gonna unbox what we have in these. Alright, so these are some accessories I got from Amazon for this MacBook, so I'm gonna unbox these and see how they fit. Alright, but before I get into this unboxing, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Alright, so first off, we're gonna open this one that I have on top here. So let's go ahead and open and see what we have here. Get this out the way. So we have here a dual USB type C multifunctional adapter for the MacBook. Alright, and this is number V8Tech. So here it is. I'm gonna link this in the description just in case you want to get it and check it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out the box. Alright, so we have a little card here. This is a user manual. This is pretty straightforward stuff, so we're just gonna go ahead right here, hook this up to the MacBook, see how it fits. Alright, let's take this out of the box. Has some little covers on the USB-C ports right here, so we're gonna plug this in, see how it fits right here. So we have the two USB-C ports on the MacBook here on the left hand side of the MacBook. So we're just gonna go ahead and snap these in right here, just like that. Boom, you see it snaps in. It fits really nice and tight on there. Not too many movements on this adapter right here. It fits really snug and nice on the MacBook. And then you can see here this is silver and the MacBook is gray, because this is for a silver MacBook, but I'm just trying it on this gray one here. So fits really nice, looks really nice, and when you plug it in you can see this light up right here. So this shows that it's getting power to the adapter here, and we can go ahead and connect our USB devices and see if it boots up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get like a flash drive or something. We're gonna connect it and see if it pops up on the computer. So let me log in here with my Touch ID. There we go, we're on the desktop. Alright, so I'm gonna get a flash drive, plug it in here, and we're gonna see if it works. Alright, so as you can see here, the MacBook doesn't have a regular USB port. It only has the USB-C that's on the left hand side. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this flash drive here. It's a 3.0. We're gonna connect it to the USB port on the MacBook, see if it pops up. Alright, so let's plug that in, see what happens here. We're gonna go to later, tomorrow. Alright, and here it is. You can see it right here on the screen that it popped up. So let me close this out, go back. We're gonna go back right now. Let me show you on the screen, move the camera a little bit. So here you can see on the screen right here on the right hand corner, the flash drive popped up right here, and these are my files that I have on the flash drive. Alright, so here it is. It's untitled, called untitled right here on the screen. So these are everything I have on the flash drive. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and eject it and take it out. So we can see that the adapter works fine. So it's reading the USB flash drive here that I connected to the adapter, to the MacBook, and this is, I think it's $16.99 from Amazon. In the stores they have these adapters, the Apple ones, and some from other manufacturers. They're like 69, 70 bucks up to like $100, and just for $16.99 you get these ports. So let me unplug this, and you'll see here that we have HDMI port, we have a USB-C on the back part here, we have the HDMI, and we have 3 USB ports right here. And also on this side you get the micro SD and the SD card slot. So you're pretty much covered when it comes to the ports on this. Alright, saves you a lot of money too. So the next thing we have here, let me put this back in the box for now, get it out the way. We're gonna get these out the way for now, and we're gonna close the MacBook down right here, and we're gonna open the other box, the other pack we have here. Let's see what we have in here. Alright, let's open this. Get that back out the way. Alright, so what I have here is some, I would say this is a shell cover for the 2020 MacBook Pro. Alright, so this I bought in navy blue. So we're gonna put this on the MacBook and see how it fits and how it looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this package right here. And let's look at the name first. It's called Mosiso, and this is for the MacBook Pro, the 2020. I think this works for all of them from 2018 up to 2020, but this comes with a thing like a keyboard cover for the 2020 version of the MacBook Pro and also the older version. So let me go ahead and open this. This has the instructions, the installation manual on here. So let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like on the MacBook. Alright, so let me take this out the pack. As you can see, it has the stubblers on the bottom here for the MacBook. So when you put it down, it sits on these rubbers here. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and open this plastic here and see how this actually looks with the plastic off. Alright, so let me go ahead and see if I can rip this thing really quick. Alright, so that's all the plastic. I think this is the top portion for the computer, and this is the bottom portion right here. So I think the computer sits in this, in the bottom portion. So let's put this one on first. Let's get this out of the way a little bit. So that's the top. We're gonna put the bottom on. So this is the back right here, and we're gonna see if we could line this up with the back portion of the computer. So let's put this up, open the top a little bit, boom, and you can feel it snapping right there. Hear that? Hear those clicks? So pretty much locked in right there, and that's how it looks, guys. That's the bottom of it right there. Alright, so let's go ahead, and then we're gonna put this on the back portion. So kind of a matte color, is not that glossy, it looks really nice. I think this is the top right here. So let's put this on, see how it fits. Alright, there we go. I think that's it. Yep. I think that's it, guys. Everything's fit really snug inside here in the case. Looks really nice. So that's the look that you get after you install it. So let me put on the keyboard cover, see what it looks like. Alright, so it comes with the blue keyboard cover as well. Looks really nice. Let's put this on and see. So it comes with two keyboard covers. I think one's for the 2020 MacBook and one's for the older version. So let's put this on, see what it looks like. Not bad. It gives it a nice look. So that's how it looks with the keyboard cover. So that's blue as well. Gives the computer a nice look, and you can see that it also has a cover on the escape key right here as well. So looks really nice, makes your computer look unique, and the Apple logo still shows through the back here. As you can see, shows in dark blue. So that was the unboxing and installation of the hard shell cover for the MacBook Pro, and also this USB-C adapter right here that gives you all the connections that you need for your MacBook. Alright, so again, I'm gonna link these in the description so you can purchase them if you need to. So that's the end of another video. Thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Alright, peace.